If you are searching for free YouTube channel for your CA foundation preparation, you have definitely come to the right video. First of all, welcome to my channel CA with Shiva. On this channel, I am documenting my complete CA journey, and in this video, I am going to be helping those who are looking for free YouTube channel for their CA foundation preparation. Being a science student, how did I clear my CA foundation examination? By just paying nothing, and trust me guys, you can also do the same. So there are ample amount of content present on YouTube for your CA foundation preparation. Once you start preparing for your examination, you don't get time to search like which channel is best for me. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you that which are the channels that you can refer for your full-fledged studies of each subject. First paper, that is paper 1, accounting. How did I prepare? Like, I was completely a new student. I did not have any knowledge about accounting. Like basic journal entries, I did not know. Debit, credit, I did not know. Because till 12th, I was a science student. So many students can relate from this video that you do not have like simple knowledge about accounting. So for those who are from science stream, like from non-commerce background, and for those also who are from commerce background. So first paper, that is paper 1, accounting. How did I prepare my complete syllabus from one channel? And you don't have to like, अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक चैप्टर यहाँ से प्रिपेयर किया, दूसरे चैप्टर के लिए आपको दूसरे चैनल पे जाना पड़ा. It is not like that. I have completed my CA foundation account preparation just from one channel. I'm talking about in a full-fledged manner. Revision के लिए मैंने कौन सा channel refer किए for all the 4 subjects that I'm going to tell you in the next video. And you can also refer the channel that I referred for my CA foundation revision. देखो full-fledged study एक अलग चीज़ होती है and revision एक अलग होती है. तो revision के लिए मैं दूसरी वीडियो बना दूंगी. But for full-fledged study for your CA foundation accounting, you can definitely refer CA Hardik Manchanda's channel. His channel is like, I think, the best thing that has ever happened to the student who are from non-commerce background. Okay, so if you're from non-commerce background, his channel is the best. If you're from commerce background, his channel is like the best thing that would ever happen to you. So refer his channel. You would get the complete syllabus on his channel of CA foundation accounting. One channel, refer it and complete your preparation. Now paper 2, that is business law. This is the subject which is new for everyone. Like you are from commerce, you are from non-commerce, you are from wherever you are. This subject is new for everyone and it requires great attention guys. इसको writing practice चाहिए, इसको सब चाहिए. तो it is very much good. Like from day one you give it the best that you can, and आप इसको ऐसे प्रिपेयर करो इन फुल फ्लेज मैनर जब आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो दैट योर कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन और व्हेन यू आर रिवाइजिंग शुड बी वेरी मच गुड. आपको हर एक चीज़ एकदम अच्छे से यू शुड नो. सो इट इज़ गुड दैट आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई एंटायर सिलेबस जस्ट फ्रॉम वन टीचर. सो फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिकली आई एम टेलिंग यू, जस्ट डू नॉट गो लाइक एवरीवेयर. हर एक जो चैप्टर है अलग टीचर से पढ़ना, इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. सो फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट बिजनेस लॉ आई हैव रेफर्ड CA इंद्रेश गांधी एंड हिज वे ऑफ टीचिंग. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, वैसे ये सब्जेक्ट को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा टाबू है that this subject is purely theoretical, but when you would study from his channel, from his way of teaching, you would definitely love business law, and his way of teaching is very good. Trust me guys, you would feel it. So please refer CA Indresh Gandhi's YouTube channel, CA Indresh Gandhi's YouTube channel, or from Ultimate CA you can also refer. See, when you would search na CA Indresh Gandhi रेगुलर बैच, यू वुड नॉट गेट. मैंने कैसे प्रिपरेशन किया था इनके यूट्यूब चैनल से, इनके यूट्यूब फ्री कंटेंट से. ही प्रोवाइड्स रिविजनरी लेक्चर. अब वो रिविजनरी लेक्चर इज़ लाइक दैट, जब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि रिविजनरी है, वेदर आई वुड गेट द फुल पूरा वो मुझे कंटेंट मिलेगा कि नहीं, पूरा वो जिस्ट मिलेगा कि नहीं सिलेबस का. बट मैंने रेफर्ड हिज स्पेशल 26 5.0 ऐसे ही कुछ करके वो पूरा प्ले लिस्ट है. आई वुड प्रोवाइड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, यू कैन रेफर फ्रॉम दैट. सो इट इज़ अ रिविजनरी लेक्चर, बट फॉर वन यूनिट, यूनिट 1, यूनिट 2, यू वुड हैव यूनिट इन योर each chapter that you would know. एक यूनिट के लिए भी उन्होंने बहुत बड़े बड़े रिविजनरी लेक्चर. सो गाइज इट इज़ लाइक सो कॉल्ड रिविजनरी लेक्चर, बट पूरा फुल फ्लेज मैनर में आपको सीखने मिलता है. सो आई रेफर रिविजनरी लेक्चर विच यू कैन ऑल्सो रेफर. लिखा रिविजनरी लेक्चर है, बट यू वुड गेट कंप्लीट जो आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग है फ्रॉम हिज रिविजनरी लेक्चर. यू कैन गेट CA Indresh Gandhi, refer for your business law, because I have completed my entire syllabus of CA business law from CA Indresh Gandhi, and his way of teaching, his funny example is the best thing, and conceptual clarity that you get from his way of teaching is very good. Paper 3, that is quantitative aptitude, in which you get mathematics, statistics and logical reasoning. So this is again the subject जिसको 12th तक मैथ्स नहीं होता. It is like quite the big thing for them कि how we are going to prepare, from which channel, हम लोग को कहाँ पे मिलेगा content. So don't worry, you are good to go. I'm going to be recommending you only one channel जहाँ से I have completed my complete Q&A preparation. Complete Q&A preparation just from one channel, just from one playlist that is completely for free. For this subject, you can also refer CA Parag Gupta 2.0 channel. You can definitely refer his channel guys if you are completely new to maths, and if you are like me who are not like quite good with numbers, so you can definitely refer his channel CA Parag Gupta. The link of the playlist I would provide in the description box. You can directly check from there. Ali sir, I have completed my Q&A preparation. I'm so sorry. I've completed my Q&A preparation from Ali sir and his way of teaching. See, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड ना इज MCQ बेस्ड. सो इट इज़ गुड कि कोई आप ऐसे टीचर को पढ़ो जो स्टार्टिंग से वही अप्रोच से पढ़ा है, दैट इट इज़ MCQ बेस्ड. आप टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स यूज़ करके भी आंसर निकाल सकते हो. तो यू वुड गेट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम सेविंग ट्रिक्स from his channel. So please definitely refer his channel for your Q&A preparation, and then you are good to go. So guys, last but not the least, business economics, that is paper 4. I'm telling you guys, this was one of my favorite subject that I look forward to, because it is the subject that most of the students look forward to for their aggregate. So it is good that you prepare it well, because it would save you guys. Trust me, mark my words, कि at the end you would be like कि economics बचा लेगा. So it is good कि you prepare it from very good tutor, from very good channel. I have prepared it from one channel, completed my entire syllabus from one channel only. You have like two parts, microeconomics and macroeconomics. I've completed my preparation of CA Business Economics from CA Hardik Manchanda. Please refer his channel. It is quite good. You would get a very good conceptual clarity, and he would teach you each and every line in a very good manner, and you would learn everything. And this is the subject, again I'm telling you, do not underestimate it. It is quite good. It would help you like to make your aggregate. So do not underestimate it. It is quite good subject. Please refer his channel. The link of the playlist I would provide in the description. You can directly check from there. So guys, that's it for today's video. I have recommended you those channels that I refer during my preparation, and you can also refer it. They are very good channel. And that's it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and you can refer all the channel, all the playlists that I have recommended from my description box, or you can directly check the playlist and channels that I have recommended. And that's it for today's video, guys. Please tell me how was the video, and like, share, subscribe as much as you can, and please let me know in the comment section that on which topic you would like the next video to be. And yeah, until then, study hard and ace it.